To let us know, follow the AI renaissance.
Be honest with yourself. You're getting left behind in the AI revolution. People out here are making ads with hundreds of different people that they've never even met because they're not even real people. And the problem is that most people don't even understand how NNN works. You don't know what NNN even does. You don't even know how to even get Sora 2. You need an invite code and all that. All that stops in this video because I'm going to show you the easiest way to get this done without using anything. You just 3 nodes. That's it. No crazy workflows, no 100 nodes going from here to there. 3 nodes. You type in, you put in the image you want, you type it in, you get the video. That's it. Okay. And I have other videos on how to get Jake Paul to use your products, how to get Shaq to use your products, and everything like that. I'm just trying to make it easy as possible because these people, they like to upload videos of these workflows that are like so hard to even comprehend, and they don't even go by it step by step. So I'm going to do that. No more talking. I'll just get straight into it. What we're going to do is first add a form. Okay, so you can click on this plus sign, type in form. See that? Looks like a paper written down. Just click on that and click on new NNN form event. Click on that. Okay, you can get something like this. And as you can see, form title, we'll just call it video generator. Just anything, it doesn't matter. Form description, generate your video. All right. Now, what's important is the form elements. Okay, and we're gonna add two. One is just gonna be the text, descript, or let's say describe your video. Okay, that's gonna be a text. Make sure required field is on. All right, and then we're gonna actually have a file submission. So add form event, submit image. Submit image, something simple like that. All right. Now this is important. Element type is going to be file. This is so you can put in. You can see it accepts JPG and PNG as the files, right? So basically, that's all good. That's the form submission. Let's execute the workflow. All right. Let's see what we got. Describe your video. Step 2 is we're going to edit the image size to make it fit in our proportions. So we're going to click this, click on edit image. It's going to look like just the image icon like that, okay? And you're going to go on resize image, all right? Just like that, resize, that's fine. Property name, you want to name it whatever is here. Whatever you named it here, whatever's up here, this is what we're going to name it. So just like that, property size. Okay, now as for the width, we were gonna do a width of I think 7. I think a fair one will be, yeah, like do a width of 720, and then we do a height of 180, 1080. Okay, and this way we're getting the image, nice and big for us. Okay, and we're gonna ignore its aspect ratio. Okay, so make sure everything just looks like this. Submit image. This should be exactly what your form submission is. So make sure that these match and then click on the execute step. All right. And we can see when you click on execute step, we got 2 check marks. All right. And then the last thing now is just making the video. What's really interesting is that NADN actually created, updated so that now we don't even have to use the Kia API or anything. We can literally just connect OpenAI and have it generate the video. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Click on this plus, go on OpenAI, okay? And you want to go all the way down, you see generate video. This is a new thing. This is making the process like 10 times easier. You click on that, and then, oh, it looks like you get 100 free credits. I'm going to claim those credits, okay? But if you don't have, what you need to do is just go on OpenAI API keys like that, right? So first make OpenAI account, create a new secret key, copy it, paste it into here. It just connect to your credentials. You have your credentials here. It's very simple to do. Again, you just get your API key, you just paste it where it says API key. You're gonna go over here. You will see there's Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, and this is because Sora 2 is part of OpenAI. So we just click Sora 2. We don't know how expensive it is or anything like that. Now, this is the important part. Prompt, take out whatever's in the prompt because we don't want a cat. Okay, well, how we're going to get our prompt is we're going to go up here, schema. go down on form submission and you want to find the describe your video. So this section right here. And what you want to do is drag that into here like that. Okay. This is going to be every single prompt that you make. It's going to follow this rule right here. Okay. As for the size, we want to make sure it's the same as the edit, right? So we have 720 and 1280, just like what we have in edit image, 720, 1280. Okay. Make sure everything matches just like that. Once that's done, what we're going to do is we're going to actually get the video retrieved right here in our output. I made a huge mistake too. Actually, before we even do this, you have to actually go on this um, platform or organization setting. You have to verify organization first. Therefore, we'll be able to get access to Sora too. That completely slipped my mind. But yeah, make sure you do this. Make sure that you verify your organization. Otherwise, you won't be able to use Sora 2. Once you verify it, done. So as we can see, 3 nodes. That's it. No crazy workflows, no having to grab APIs and all that. This new feature made it so easy. We're going to test it out right now. All right, let's say the man is wearing a jacket and screams Renaissance. The man is wearing a jacket in the snow. Okay, and then as for the image, I'm just going to click on that as the image, submit. Let's see how the video came out. We got the video. So, I also have a special announcement. If anybody joins my school, I'm going to be having 6 invite codes for Sora 2 that I've just gotten from somebody else. And I'm going to link that in. Not only if you go into my link, not only will you get every single template of everything I've done from AI receptionist to the UGC ads, but you're also going to get Sora 2 invite code. I think it's definitely worth it. So I just want to put that out there. But yeah, I'm gonna be coming with more videos, more better ones. This one I'm just like this one is just like a quick version of what I did before just to make it faster, but just using 3 nodes. That's it. But yeah,